Hi, I'm Choy Kah Mun, the leader of this team.
Hi, I'm Gan Ching Kang.
Hi everyone, my name is Tai Jia Xuan.
The two graph above shows the fall death of the two countries, Malaysia and US. For Malaysia, you can see there is 1,855 fall deaths each year, while in US, the rate of fall death is increasing following the year. So, why do we prioritize elderly? This is because the impact on them is huge and deadly. First of all, when the elderly fall, they might hit their head onto something. This will cause internal bleeding or some injuries. For adults and children, they will recover more faster because their body is stronger, while the elders will take a longer time. This is why we decided to pay our attention on helping the elders. As we are researching for our project, we found out that there are several cases of early death in Japan. Hence, we decided to improve our project and add another function called family care.
From the ABC Net, 90-year-old Sally Curtis fell
From
on a
Strait
travel-
Times, elderly
.co.uk, elderly resident police.
Former President Jimmy Carter is home again.
Routine water delivery likely saved an elderly woman's life.
Last year, we got an international level merit using the first version. The improvement we made in this version is the board is more compact because we use the chips instead of the modules. We stopped using belts because elderly might find it annoying. We also started to use AI for fall detection. Similar to the last version, we designed our own PCB using Easy EDA and fabricated the board using JALC PCB service. We structure our code using classes. Here is one of them. This class acts as a clock for the entire system. There are two main functions in this class, fetch and current time. To use this class, we have to repeatedly call fetch at an interval of 10 minutes to synchronize the time with the API. To know the current time, this function calculates the time elapsed since the last fetch function using our ESP32 internal crystal oscillator to get the time that is accurate to the minutes.
We can see that the message is successfully sent to the children's email. We first collect the data from the IMU, then the data is fed into a neural network that we code ourselves to determine whether the elderly have fallen down. If the elderly does not cancel the fall alarm, the ESP32 will send the message through the Gmail SMTP server to the children's email. The accuracy of this detector is not bad despite it being just a prototype. However, our project is not only about detecting fall. We have functions that allow the children to communicate to the elderly as well. We also notify the children about that so they won't forget about their parents.
Now, why should you choose us? First of all, our system is very reliable due to its high accuracy in fall detection and prompt notification. Our system is able to help the elderly from fall death and uplift their mental health through our family care program. Not only it will benefit to the elderly, but to their children as well. Our project have a great commercial value.